Hi guys, we're going to Niagara. Our driver at Thea. Hi. And our tourist guide, Agnes. Looking forward to see you in Niagara. Hi.
Hey guys, it's another day in Canada. So today we're traveling papunta sa Niagara Falls, pero bago kami mag-check-in dun sa hotel namin malapit doon, we'll do a side trip dito sa malaking outlet store again. So exciting, pero kain muna kami dito. Let's go! Alright guys, so yan ang mga brands: Ralph Lauren, Tumi, Pandora, Lacoste, Oak, Fort, laki ng Gap store, and more down the line doon. So hanap lang muna kami ng kainan. Woo! Tindi gastos na naman to. Ito yung mga outlet stores dito. So there's Vans, Coach, Michael Kors, Yes, Brooks, I see Colhan sa dulo, Kate Spade, may Lacoste, RL, Boss, isang section pa lang to. So more, Levi's, Lululemon, ito yung mga Under Armour, nakikita ko dun sa dulo. So, and we haven't been dun sa other side and dun sa kabilang aisle. So wow, going to take us the maybe entire afternoon to go around sa area nito. What's up guys? So andito na tayo sa Niagara, and later tonight we'll go through dun sa falls, but we'll check in first dito sa Hilton. Let's go! Where's the lights? Open the lights, right? Oh, there's a... Do we need to insert card or? Oh, no. So this is the view from our hotel. The falls. Wow. Lisa doing the stories. Guys, it's 8:30 in the evening. So lalabas kami ng hotel. We'll try to walk around the area ng falls. Okay. As you can see, 8:30 in the evening, maliwanag pa. So I think yung sunset dito around 9:30 to 10 pa.
Dito. Saan tayo eh?
Hilton Hotel.
Recording.
Hey, buds.
You want to go to the front and recreate one, so they doesn't take that.
All right. Okay.
And you can actually pan from there to the back.
All right. Even better.
Don't forget Dougie in that.
Dougie Fresh in the house!
You're looking for go-kart, real go-kart action, ayan, Niagara Speedway. Okay, ride sa tuktok ng building. Ayan, kanya lang version ng Skywheel. lively rito. Mas maganda dumaan. Kanina dumaan kami dito, maliwanag pa. So, mas buhay ngayon na gabi na kasi lights are open. Ang ganda tingnan. A haunted house. A haunted house.
Brownies. Sarap daw sabi niya. Good morning, guys. Following day at Niagara. Finding for a spot to take breakfast.
Looking for my morning coffee. So, hanap tayo. Maraming Tim Hortons dito and we'll go there. Let's go!
Kaya nga pinubase niya. Kasi hindi mo makita lahat. Para alam ko na pag nag-park and flag.
Sarap ba yan, Day?
Bagel. Describe mo. What's that? What's that?
Cream cheese bagel. Guys, so it's a sunny afternoon. Afternoon? It's 12.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's 12. Lakas pa yung mga energy nila.
Hi guys. Hey y'all.
What's your expectation today, Te? Kylie, what's your expectation today? Ate Dea, what's the plan for today?
We're gonna look around the falls, Niagara Falls, then USA Falls.
Alright, so tapos na kami sa lake. So falls na kami ngayon. Alright, so anyong tubig pa rin. Let's go! There are two big chunks ng falls. Itong side na to is actually yung US side. And ito yung tinatawag nila na Ontario side, Canada side. So yung mas malaki. They call it parang horseshoe. Horseshoe yung size niya pa U. And so, wow! Amazing, stunning view, guys. So last night we were here. There was I think about 5-8 minute firework display. Ang ganda. Tapos yung falls was actually well lighted, so may ilaw siya. All good, ganda. So there's the bridge na tatawiran namin mamayang gabi going to Buffalo, USA. So nakikita nyo, there are two boats, red and blue. So yung red galing yan dito sa border ng Canada, yung blue galing yan dun sa port ng US, Buffalo. What's really amazing here, makikita nyo guys, yung boat will go all the way doon sa loob, halos doon sa sa tip ng falls. So lapitan natin, let's go. Can you say it? Can you say?
Yun yung boat. Nakpila mo yung yung boat papunta doon.
Yeah, so tingnan nyo guys kung paano mag-disappear yung boat. Ganda ng creation ni Lord. Ayan guys, nakikita pumasok na yung boat. So for sure, shower party yung mga nasa loob ng boat. So kaya naka-jacket sila lahat sa loob. Poncho ba yung tawag? Ayan, so poncho. Queen Victoria Place, famous daw for having lunch, breakfast, dinner kasi right in front of yung Niagara Falls, so must be expensive. At sa parang boardwalk, daming tao, saya. So ubusan ng memory cards to take ng photo.
Bato-bato lang yung background yun. O gusto niya side view?
So, getting closer dito sa side ng massive falls ng Canadian. Basa na lang guys, anong sinasabi dyan. Hi guys, so closer look. From the top all the way papunta dun sa baba nung falls area. Sisipag namin, akit lang kami ron. Mamamasahe pa kami. Kailangan ba nakaupo? Hindi pwede nakatayo? What's up guys? So, side trip kami sa winery, pagawaan ng wines. And makikita natin mamaya yung yard ng ubas. Kami yung farm ng puro ubas. Property. Hey guys, another stopover at the Niagara by the lake. So it's a neighborhood na nakatira lapit close by sa lake line. Ito yung mga houses.
Naglalakad